Welcome back to my channel, guys. I went ahead and created this super soft glam makeup tutorial. If you would like to learn this look or just be inspired by this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm applying my Naked Skin Weightless Foundation in the shade 4.0. Right on top of that, I'm going to be applying my Fit Me Foundation in the shade 240. Applying that right on top everywhere and taking a small stippling brush and just blending that into my skin. Taking a damp beauty blender and just blending out any harsh lines and picking up any excess foundation that has formed. Taking my Tarte Concealer in the shade Light Medium, just going to go ahead and apply some of it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and chin, also a little bit underneath the cheekbones. Taking that damp beauty blender once again, just blend that all out. Taking the shade 340 in the Fit Me Foundation, I'm going to be contouring my face. I'm going to be applying a little bit on the outside of my forehead, underneath my cheekbone. Now taking some on my jaw. And also with that same brush, I'm just going to be contouring a little bit on my nose. Taking a damp beauty blender once again, we're going to blend out any of those harsh lines and just make sure everything is nice and blended. I'm taking my Nye Banana Powder and baking right underneath my eyes. Applying some on my chin, the bridge of my nose, and also some on my forehead. Just taking the back of my beauty blender, I'm going to be setting the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade 03 and applying that to my lids to prep for eyeshadow. Going in with my Morphe palette, I'm going to be taking those two transition colors and just applying that in my crease. I'm going to slowly start moving from right to left. And doing the same thing to the other side, just applying that into my crease. Next, taking this oldie but goodie, this is the first Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be applying that burnt orangey color right on top of those two transition colors. Now taking that same eyeshadow base that I used earlier, I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm not going to be cutting this all the way, only to about 3/4 of the way. Now taking my Carly Bible palette and that gold shimmery color, I'm going to be just applying that right on top of that crease that I've cut. Once again, taking that Jaclyn Hill palette and that burnt orangey color, I'm going to just blend out any harsh lines. Now going back in with that Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be taking those two brown shadows and adding that right into my crease, just to darken the look up just a little bit. A clean Morphe brush, I'm just going to blend out all of those colors together. Now going in with my Anastasia brow pomade in chocolate, I'm just going to be filling in my brows. I'm going to do that really quick and I will be right back. Now curling my lashes, I'm just prepping them for eyelashes. For eyelashes, I am taking my very favorite Opulent lashes by Eyelure and just applying those right on top. Now dusting off that powder that we baked for, I'm just taking a flat angled brush and just cleaning off any of that excess powder. As you can see, all of that just go into midair. Taking that Jaclyn Hill palette and that burnt orangey color, I'm going to be just applying that underneath on my bottom lower lash line. Now taking my Christian Dior mascara, which is called Dior Show, I'm just going to be applying that on my lower lashes. I'm going to be taking my Lancôme Star Bronzer in the number 02 Solaire and bronzing my face. Now taking my Anastasia Contour Kit, I'm just going to be contouring with the shades Havana and Java. Going in with my favorite blush of the moment, this is by Laura Geller in the shade Tropic Hues, and I'm just going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Taking a small shader brush and MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to spray that and start applying a little bit of highlighter to the center and to the bridge of my nose. Taking my Laura Geller highlighter and a fluffy brush, I'm just going to spray that with Fix Plus and start applying that to the high points of my face. And I like a lot of highlighter on my face. I like to highlight till I'm looking like a glazed donut, so girl, if that is your thing, you go ahead and do the same. And just to amplify that highlighter a little bit more, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter and applying that right on top of Gilded Honey, and whew, that is a game changer right there. Look at that. Now going in with my Morphe lip liner in Chippy, I'm just going to be lining my lips. Right on top of that, applying my NYX Liquid Lingerie lipstick in Ruffle trim, applying that right on top of my lips. Now just taking a clear gloss, I'm going to be applying that right on top of the liquid lipstick and giving it a glossy finish. And last but not least, taking my Smashbox Primer water and finishing the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this look, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.